This is the 4214 filler capper, explosion proof. So you have XP motors. Here's your junction box on the machine that would tie into the main control panel once conduits run there. And everything is either hard piped or we have flexible couplings throughout the system. This is the junction box for the isolated controls, extra low voltage controls, your eyes, your proximity switch, things of that nature. We have both of these just kind of tied into the main panel temporarily. There's your IS relays. Everything here is intrinsically safe. We have a separate box for safety purposes that will actually have the intrinsically safe wiring on it. Here's your control system. Turned out very clean. Your HMI. We can see all the functions there. Now if we go setup screen, we can move the bowl up and down, turret up and down. There is a conveyor trim percentage. 100 is synchronous, the tangent of the in-feed star. You can take it up over 100% if you want a little more conveyor speed. We have some bypass functions here. This would be more or less if you're doing some testing with the sorter or any kind of chute work. We set the jog speed here, the filler low speed, and the actual bottles per minute. Here we can actually set the cap sorter belt feet per minute. You can increase and just decrease that as needed. We also have just about every relevant timer in the system. These are all various delays, eye delays, things of that nature. And from here you obviously run the system. Right now we just have kind of a test conveyor jigged up here. And there's the machine itself. You notice some eyes here. We have a discharge slow speed eye, and we have a discharge stop eye. If we start to get a backup that's critical into the filler, it'll actually pause and restart on its own once it's cleared. Again, this is a slow eye, detects a backlog and sets the filler to like a mid speed. And again, you saw that in the HMI. You set that slow speed to anything you want. Now, I had the same thing on the in-feed. They were a bit of a nuisance to us while we were running, so we have them just kind of laying here, seeing bottles, quote unquote, for right now. We do have the reflector setups and everything that's needed to ship with the machine. You'd likely put this upstream a few more feet. And again, this is looking for a backlog coming into the machine to make sure we're feeding it. One eye, the upstream eye, will just reduce the speed to a medium speed. The next eye will stop the filler. At that point it's starved. We have also an e-stop system, and this is isolated. This e-stop system goes all the way around the machine. It's a pull cable system. Very nice, very sensitive. You see all the mounts we built there to set that up. Change parts we did out of color core. Excuse our catch bucket here for testing.